Ever wonder why your burger is ready in under a minute? It's not magic, it's factory-level engineering. Today, we're uncovering the surprising connection between Henry Ford's assembly lines and the design of your favorite fast food restaurants. Henry Ford didn't just revolutionize cars. His genius idea breaking down complex tasks into simple, repeatable steps was soon applied far beyond the factory floor. Efficiency became a philosophy, not just a technique. Before assembly lines, kitchens were chaotic, chefs running back and forth, orders delayed, consistency nearly impossible. Ford's method promised speed, standardization, and control. But bringing a car-making method into restaurants wasn't as simple as it sounds. The next chapter transformed the way we eat out forever. The McDonald brothers noticed something remarkable. Ford's industrial logic could be adapted to food. Their Speedee service system was designed like a conveyor. Each worker had a precise task, minimizing movement, maximizing speed. This spatial arrangement wasn't random. It allowed every burger, fry, and shake to arrive consistently every single time. Standardization ensured customers got the same taste and quality in every location. Standardization was just the start. The assembly line principles would ripple across the entire fast food industry, changing architecture and operations forever. Soon, other chains followed. Kitchens mirrored factories, drive-thrus extended assembly efficiency to the customer. And layout became a silent manager, dictating movement, workflow, and speed. Every curve of the counter, every placement of fryers was dictated by unseen engineering. Your experience as a customer, orchestrated for efficiency, you probably never noticed. But efficiency wasn't just about speed, it was also about profit, labor, and even the very nature of the workforce. The next section explains why. Assembly lines transformed labor. Each worker performed a simplified, specialized task, making training quick and errors rare. Output soared, prices dropped. Customers got faster service. Efficiency wasn't just for convenience. It became a profit engine. And yet, these design choices reshaped the skill set of workers and the expectations of diners alike. As fast food empires optimized the past, the future was already knocking. And it wasn't human hands that would do the next revolution. Today, automation and AI are the new assembly lines. Robots prep, fry, and assemble. Personalization challenges efficiency, but the underlying principle remains. Break down complex tasks, maximize speed, and deliver consistent output. Fast food is no longer just about burgers. It's a glimpse into how industrial thinking shapes the everyday experience of millions worldwide. So, the next time you grab a quick meal, remember, every fry, every burger, every soda is the product of hidden engineering, a lineage stretching from car factories to the modern drive-thru, and the story isn't over yet. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives.